Welcome to ITTV. I'm Cesar Martin, your host. Today we'll explore how Math Dice game can enhance your teaching strategies. Let's embark on this educational journey. Get ready for a fun and educational math adventure as you roll the dice and practice addition skills. Let's dive into the world of numbers and sums. The objective of the math dice game is simple. Roll the dice, add the numbers together, and write the sum on the blanks provided. It's a great way to practice addition skills while having fun. During gameplay, roll the dice and add the numbers on top of the two dice together. Then, write the sum on the blanks provided. Keep rolling the dice and adding numbers until all blanks are filled. It's a straightforward yet engaging way to practice addition. The Math Dice game offers numerous educational benefits. By engaging in addition practice, players can improve their math skills through practice and repetition. Additionally, the game encourages mental math calculation and quick thinking, making it an effective learning tool. Plus, it provides a fun and interactive way to learn and reinforce addition concepts. With its engaging gameplay and interactive elements, the Math Dice game keeps players motivated and focused on the task at hand. By providing a dynamic learning environment, the game makes learning addition enjoyable and rewarding for players of all ages. Looking for a bit of variety? Customize your math dice game by using different types of dice or adding additional operations such as subtraction or multiplication. Whether you're exploring new number combinations or challenging yourself with different operations, the possibilities are endless. The Math Dice game is suitable for players of all ages and skill levels. Whether you're a math whiz or just starting out, this game offers something for everyone. Plus, it can be played individually or in groups, adding an extra layer of fun and collaboration to the experience. By playing the Math Dice game, players can improve their addition fluency and accuracy. Additionally, the game enhances mental math skills and number sense, making it a valuable learning tool. Most importantly, it fosters a love for learning and practicing math, making math an enjoyable adventure for all. In conclusion, the Math Dice game offers a fun and interactive way to practice addition skills while rolling the dice and filling in the blanks. So, gather your friends, roll the dice, add the numbers, and get ready to master your math skills. Thank you for exploring Math Dice game with us.